A very good morning to all. Welcome to the webinar on Wembu SaaS backup solution for Office 365 and Google Apps. My name is Manoj. I'm here a part of sales engineering with Wembu Technologies. And for today's session, we have a featured speaker, Mr. Suresh Kumar, a lead engineer from the Wembu SaaS backup team. So I see the attendees are quickly trying to join the session. So let's leave a minute for everyone to get joined, and then we can go ahead and get started. Thank you. Hope all the attendees have joined the session, so we can go ahead and get started. So to start with, let's have a quick intro on the company profile. Wembu Technologies is founded in the year 2004. We are a private company, profitable since 2006. We have 4,000 plus channel partners, and we reach more than 60,000 businesses so far. We are headquartered in Chennai, India. 70% of our customers are from North America, 20% from Europe, and the rest 10% from Asia Pacific regions. Wembu BDR Suite is a one-stop solution for all your backup and disaster recovery needs, categorizing every requirement of small and medium-sized businesses. It has a group of products bundled together, and they are Wembu VM Backup for the backup and replication of VMware and Hyper-V, Wembu Image Backup for the backup and bare metal recovery for physical Windows servers and desktops, Wembu Network Backup, that is a backup solution for granular file folder level backups and for the backup of applications like Microsoft Exchange, SQL, SharePoint, Active Directory, Outlook, MySQL, etc. Wembu Online Backup is purely a cloud-based solution where you can do file folder level backup and application level backup directly to our cloud, Wembu Cloud. And Wembu SaaS Backup is a backup solution for SaaS applications like Office 365 and Google Apps. Adding to that, we do have some add-on products, and they are Wembu Offsite DR. It's an add-on service to the Wembu BDR backup server where the Offsite DR enables you to have an additional copy of the data backed up to an offsite data center. And Wembu Cloud DR helps you to set up a hybrid cloud environment where the additional backup copy data will be replicated to our cloud, Wembu Cloud, and the data will be managed in secured Amazon S3 storage. Wembu BDR 360 helps you to do 24/7 monitoring and manageability of all your BDR servers, and Wembu Universal Explorer is an agentless software that helps you to do granular restore of applications like Exchange, SQL, SharePoint, Active Directory instantly. Say if it is an Exchange, you can even do a granular restore of a mail level, or if it is a SQL, you can even do a database level restore with this Universal Explorer utility. So here comes the interesting part of this session, why we need Wembu SaaS Backup. So to explain in detail about SaaS Backup, I would like to invite Mr. Suresh Kumar, the lead engineer from the SaaS Backup team. Over to you, Suresh Kumar.
Okay, thank you, Manoj. Thank you for your wonderful introduction about Wembu products. And now I'm going to talk about Wembu SaaS Backup. What are the challenges actually we are facing while using our cloud-based products? Actually, in a present condition, Google Apps and Office 365 are the leading in the market. So they are providing mail-related and document-related and other things they will provide for the backup. The data loss will be very critical for any kind of businesses. So the loss can be happen because of the below reasons: the accidental file deletion and the retention of data from old employee, unauthorized access from anyone other than the user, cyber attacks, and rogue application. The first one, the file deletion, which will happen in case some user in your organization accidentally delete that file, that will be happen in some kind of unknownly. The retention of data from all employee is while the employee departure from your company, the data may be third time if not an important one. But later the data may be very important for us for later businesses. So that time we don't have a backup for that employee data, so we lost some kind of in our businesses. So unauthorized access, that kind of access from the employee login, they may be lost the data from other employees' data. Cipher attack and rogue application. The unauthorized users maybe access our data from cyber attacks and rogue applications. The solution provided by the Vembu SaaS Backup. The Vembu SaaS Backup actually provide a solution for Google Apps and Office 365 data, which is protect your mails, contact, calendar, and documents. This is a Vembu SaaS Backup architecture. The first numbers provided here is overall local environment setup, and number 2 is the API provided by Office 365 and Google Apps. They will provide the API for us, and we will use the API from your admin credentials from our server. The third one is set up by our server in our cloud environment. The data can be stored and accessed by encrypted data, AES-256 encryption through the secure channel. The overall data can be stored in AWS S3. Introduction of SaaS Backup. The SaaS Backup will offer you for only backup for Office 365 and Google Apps. We are supporting for Office 365 is Exchange Online emails, contacts, and calendars. And for Google Apps, we are supporting for Gmail, Chat, Drive, Contacts, and Calendar. The benefit we provide you for there is no installation record, so there is no agent required for installing our client. This is very user friendly for you can enjoy the UI for easily backup and easily you can recover your data from our server. Anywhere, anytime access. We are providing anywhere, anytime access from the cloud-based application. You can access the backed up data from anywhere in the world. So there is no need to work within your office, or you can work within home also. You can easily reschedule the backup, edit the backup, and restore the backup from your anywhere and anytime. Incremental scheduling. The scheduling system has provided by the Vembu SaaS Backup. The time configuration, you can set the time while configuring the backup. The time you have set it once set it, you can editable while editing the backup. The daily incremental can be take the incremental of your Office 365 and Google Apps domains, respectively the overall daily mails, document related things, everything can be backed up by the daily incremental. Also, you can if you want to run the backup manually, then you can run the backup manually by the option we have provided in the domain listing. Cloud storage. We are providing the storage for you can store the overall data can be stored in AWS storage. So the data is very secure through the channel and over the secure placed in where we store in our Vembu cloud. AES-256 data encryption. The data encryption we have used is AES-256. This will be secure your data while transferring to the medium as well as while storing with the storage. So your data can be stored very secure one in a Vembu cloud. One-click restore document. This is one of the very important option we are providing in our Vembu SaaS Backup. This is you can download your document by single click on the particular document. You can download it and you can do whatever you want. Mail over query. You can restore the mail by individually. You can select the particular email, or grouply you can select the emails and you can restore your same account or different account. So you can restore the whole overall mail by the option we provided with the Vembu SaaS Backup. So it will save the time for full restore. So you don't need to restore overall user to one user to another user. So instead of that, you can restore the particular mail by this option, mail view. You can view your mail individually. The option you have provided in the Vembu SaaS Backup. You don't need to wait for restore until the particular mail. Just click on the mail and you can view the mail content by over the pop-up. which is available on the screen. So just click on the mail and you can view the content of the mail. Quick search. We have provided the data search table algorithm for providing you the easily search a particular user or mail and document and some other contact and everything. You can search it and you can do the further operation. So we can do the operation for backup and restore, on-time backup progress. We are providing the backup progress window for currently which user you are backed up and which data currently is going to the backup server. So you can view the current status of the backup server with backup status with this window. Roadmap. Currently we are not supporting OneDrive backup. We are adding the OneDrive backup with our roadmap, and also OneCloud deployment also currently not supported. We are added into our roadmap currently, and next within 1 or 2 months we'll provide you the OneDrive backup and OneCloud deployment further updation. And the Salesforce integration and the backup box integration will be available in 4 to 6 months. Live demo, I'll show you how to sign up and how to configure backup with the Wemboo SaaS backup. You have to firstly open the browser and type saasbackup.wemboo.com and the browser menu. You have to need to sign up before. Just provide a company name and everything, and then click sign up button. The mail will be sent to the particular email which you provide for sign up. Then you need to set the password for that particular sign-in page, and then provide your email and the password, then get login to your product. Once you logged in, you can get the page of dashboard page you will available in the first page. You just need to go for Office. If you need to configure for Office 365 backup, then just click on the Office 365 menu and then click Add Account button. Once you click on the Add Account button, you will have to enter the particular administrator account of your particular domain and the password. If you enter these things, this will forward to the overall getting the information from your domain, and then you need to accept it. Then it will move to this page. If you're clicking backup my entire domain, and you can click on a particular let me choose the option. You can choose the particular user from here. Then you have to proceed button. Then click the particular users, which user you want to back up. Then click continue. Then you have to provide timing for scheduling, what time you want to take backup. Then proceed button. Then you can see what are the users have been configured for the backup and the scheduled time, and what are the data can be backed up with a particular backup. So if you run the backup, then you can automatically the backup will schedule here. So you can see the backup schedule like this. You can view the current backup with the progress. You can see here. So currently we have scheduled for 5 users. It will take a backup for a second user, and you can see the currently what the progress actually going on. So after completion of backup, it will show you the report here. You can check the report from here. So once the backup has completed, you can check what are the number of users have backed up, and how many mails has backed up, and the contacts and the events how much can backed up. So same thing we can back up the Google Apps from here. So you need to add account. Click add account. It will transfer to the another page. So we need to install your application install the Google Chrome application. Then automatically it will transfer to this page. So we can check this option for entire domain backup or manual backup. Same thing we'll need to configure as per the. So if you want to take a backup for particular users, then choose this option. How many users you want to backup? Then click proceed and set the time for scheduling and click proceed. and you can see how many users have been backed up for the particular backup. If you run the backup, then you can see the progress here. So only one backup user we have configured for the backup, so one user have automatically backed up, and you can check the report from here. So this is the method for taking a backup from here for Wembu SaaS backup. This is a basic thing for configuring, and I'll tell you how to restore the backup from backed up data. So firstly, you need to go for the domain listing page and click restore. Then you have to select the particular domain, select the particular user, which user you need to restore, then select the mails you want to restore. Then you have to select the account, which account you need to restore that particular mails. Then click restore and confirm the restore button. So it will initiate the restore, and automatically the mails have been restored to the which user you have selected for the restore. So the same thing we can restore Google Apps backup also. So we have to select the particular user here. So you can select the mails from 1 or 3. Then you can check the next. Select the user where you want to restore and click yes to restore. So 3 mails have been successfully restored to that particular account. You can restore the particular document for a Google Apps backup. You can click that over the drive. Which document you want to restore, just check it and click next and select particular user and click restore and yes. So the 3 documents have been restored to the particular user from this account to this account. So I will show you the view mail. You can select the particular user and click on the mail. You can view the content of the mail from here. So this is the view mail. If you want to download the particular document of the Google Apps backup, you need to go particular user and selector, select the drive and click on the particular document and click this button to restore. This will lost it. Then you have downloaded that particular document, and you can do whatever you want. Okay, that's all from me. Please take over, Manoj.
Thank you, Suresh. That was a much informative session. So again, this session is recorded. If any one of you need a recorded copy of this session, please feel free to send an email to wembu-support@wembu.com. Alternatively, you can also drop an email to wembu-sales@wembu.com. And in case of any queries, you can also dial our toll-free numbers listed on our website wembu.com. Once again, thank you all for joining the session. Have a wonderful day. Bye.